What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, you know who, what, Wife Love Luxury, and I'm back with another what video. So today's video is going to be on a product that my husband ordered again. So as long as he keep ordering, we're going to keep reviewing, and maybe some of these products are going to be helpful for you, because this one here, let me tell you, I opened it up, did some videos on it, watched it, you know, did your little research before you come on and do your own video. And also, y'all have to excuse Miss Tyler back here. She's getting beautified right now. You gonna say hi to YouTube? Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna review this, and then I'm gonna tell you all that I figured out on it, and we'll go from there. I have only this, he only ordered one, but I think I'm liking it so good that I need another one for the charger, because I want this one in the bin, so we'll see. But you guys, today's product review is on car DVR video. So, and this is the Model A9. Product name is Car Recorder. Input voltage current 5V/1A. Manufactured in China. Okay. So yeah, that's the back of the box. This is what I was reading off of for you all. Is it upside down? No, it's not. Okay. So, we're going to go ahead and open it up. Like I said, I did open it up so that I could charge it. So when I did do this video for you guys, that it would already be charged up. So, here it is. And you open it up. And you have the little pamphlet. The manual. And you open it up. It's like this here. Take out the first part. And then in there, you'll see some more parts, which is the charger for the car, and then you plug it up there. Then they sent you an extra sticky. Okay. And then they sent you this piece here. So, let's get into it. So back to this, we're going to take this out the packages. And you have the front, and you have the camera. And then on the back, you have a camera. So, and you have buttons here. Now, if it's in your car, and this piece here, they connect together, it do come back out. It slides off. But once you mount this piece to your window, it's not coming off. Also, this here, you can, like this, up and down. So once it's on a mirror now, you won't be able to do all that moving. But this camera here on the side, you plug this into this little circle port here, which is your AV. Leave that alone. It's hot. Are you okay? Okay. Don't touch it. You want to sit over here with me, Mom? Okay, hold on, guys. See, she doing something she ain't got no business. She's supposed to be playing in the lip gloss, and she doing something totally different. Okay, say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Okay, so this here, like I said, you have 4 buttons here to turn on. One of them is to be able to make the screen side by side picture, and then one picture up in a corner. It do like 4 different modes, but this can record inside the car and outside the car. This will record your outside, and like I said, this is the top of it. So this part here, this one here, records your inside. Now this here, let me plug this up so it don't move. This part here moves up, down. You can turn it sideways, this way. So this is going to give you the most view or recording from the inside of the car. Now, me myself haven't used it yet. Already see how I would have tweaked it. I would have put this on this side and the rest of the other things on this side. Only because if you're in the car, let's say you got this mounted up in your car, and you drive, and you know, you want to be able to have the camera. To me, I like my camera on this side so it can get this whole angle. This side's going to get the whole angle in the car, I'm assuming, and maybe this side of the face. But we won't know until we actually put it in and try it. But let's go ahead and turn this on and see what we can get into. So like I said, if you look at the buttons here, see if it'll focus. It's focusing on me. Let's push this one here. Hey, stop. Sorry about that, guys. She was messing with my remote and it was going to turn off the video, so I had to stop. Okay, so as you can see, now remember this is mounted to the window, okay? Now, y'all looking at me through the back camera. I'm seeing me in the back camera. Put that back.
I'm not open.
No, don't open. You don't need to open the wipes up.
Please.
For what?
Please.
What do you need it for?
Please.
It's hand wipes.
Please.
Okay, can you give me a second? Yes? Okay. You want to go wake up RJ? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, give me a second. So, you guys, sorry about that. So, as you can see, I do believe I got it on the setting where it's the big picture and then a little picture in the corner. Let's try to see another view. So, looking at it from this view, I believe it's the side by side. No, it's not. It's still the camera, the back and then the front. Let's see. You can also play back the videos and everything. So now I put it on the front camera. And as you can see, this is what I'm recording with this camera here, me doing this here. And if I move this here, it's going to take you wherever this camera is going. And that's the feathers that it turn around. Why are you writing on my manual book? Little girl, I need that. Give me that pencil. You're doing too much. Okay, so then if we turn it back this way. So if we're in the car and still now, you're going to get this whole right side and also the back of it a little bit. But if you're in the car and you're driving and you're sitting over here, no, camera's like this. Okay, my bad, yeah, guys. And you're driving and you're sitting over here, you're only going to get this. The camera doesn't go no further than this inside of the car to go to your right. You can get the whole left view from side to back to in back of you, but I wish they would have had this over here so I could get this side, or made it to where this was a little bit more smaller and this was able to go around just a little bit more to get a full view. Also, on the back here it says HD 1080p. Hopefully y'all can see that. Okay. It does have a SIM card. It came with a SIM card in it. It's right there. And they sent you the charger for the card. I also had a charger for the house, so I'm able to charge it in the house if I want to just slide it out. And to slide it out, you would just, right here is a little clip. You're just going to push it together, and you should be able to slide it out. And that's how it slides out. So remember, this will be stuck to the window. It will not come out. So you'll be doing the sliding yourself in and out. And it clicks in place. So I haven't recorded with it yet, you guys. I'm trying to decide which car I want to put it in. I know I want it in the VNs for sure. But I also want one for the charger. So we'll work on that one. We'll find out the information where we got it from. And then I'll come back and I'll put it in the description down below where he purchased it from, the price and everything. So if you're interested, you can try to get you one. I also think it's something like a GoPro to me, only because I've been wanting to prank him. And I was trying to figure out how can I put something where he couldn't see it in the car. Well, the GoPro, you know, it's just small. You can put it in the car, whatever, but he'll know that that's what that's for. You know what I'm saying? This here, and if he watches this video, he's going to know anyway, but he'll never know when I'm going to get him. But this here, like I said, it records the back. So when you're thinking it's on and it's recording the back, it could be recording the front. You don't know. So stay tuned for that video. I might pull a few on them. Not many, but just a few. I'm about to finish up my camping trip vlog. I did as much as I could without getting copyrighted because the nephews and them was doing their thing, which they were supposed to. You know, it was a vacation, having fun, playing music, everything. So they was bumping the music, and I was trying to record on the camping trip when they were either gone or when they was asleep. Which you'll see that when everybody was asleep, I was still up and recording and everything. But go check that video out. I will finish that one up, and that will be posted this Sunday at 11 o'clock coming up. And then this video will be behind that video. So we're on a roll, you guys. I'm trying to stay consistent. I'm trying to bring more videos than just unboxings and reviews. Like I said, I do have the car channel review, the car channel. And that's DATOWN_WHIPS on Instagram, and then on YouTube it's the same thing, DATOWN_WHIPS. So we only got one video out on that one so far. I have other people working on that channel also with me, but when we're ready to bring that one all the way to the forefront and start doing a channel, we're gonna introduce everyone and get it cracking. But back to this, guys. I'm going to try it out. So I'm going to go ahead. I think I'm going to put it in the bins first and try it out. See how it operates and everything. So the video after this one, we're going to say, it's going to be this one here, this video. And we're going to mount it, everything. I'm going to have my husband mount it because I know me. I'll make it crooked. But we're going to mount it and see what it do, see how the quality turns out, and then I'll come back on when I do my review and show you all the qualities and everything. And I'm also, look at this little girl. She is over here putting on sanitizer. Why are you putting sanitizer? Give me this. So you is doing too much. Why is you on my makeup thing? That's for your hands. Well, glad that you put it in your hands, okay? Now don't touch nothing else. Nothing else. We're about to finish our video. You're supposed to be doing a video with me. You out here doing beauty. Yeah, you can do beauty with your mom on her channel. Okay. You guys, this is Tyla. I call her Tootie. Her mom, y'all seen her mom on my page before, which is my youngest daughter. She's about to start doing her TikTok and her, give me this. Her TikTok, and she got things on there of them. Yeah. Yes. And she's about to launch her YouTube page, so you'll see her over there on that channel. So once she kicks it off, I will, oh, don't got hot in here. I will come on and give you her channel name and everything. I think in my last video with Tootie in it, I posted at the bottom their TikTok page, their family TikTok page. So you guys can normally go over there and stay tuned to her little self. She's a character. And on that note, you guys, I'm going to get up off of here, and I'm going to go wake RJ up so that I can make him get in the tub, get dressed, so we can go get something to eat. And if I decide to, I want to go to Sephora because I seen some things off a few people's pages that I think I would like. So I think I want to go to Sephora. Not sure yet with 2 kids. I don't know. We might not try that one just yet. Yes, baby. What, the light? I turned the fan on because I was hot. Because these lights are giving off a lot of heat. Do not touch those lights, please. Okay? They're hot. You don't want to turn the light on. You want to get down there and turn it off? No. Oh, okay. You don't know. Excuse me? Huh? What'd you say? Yeah? Okay. So, you guys, I hope you stay to the channel. Stay with me. I am recording from my Sony A5500. I am in the market for a new camera. I do have the GX7, something like that. The Canon GX7. Don't care for it because I can't get the quality or the menu things right to be able to make my picture crispy. So I just been recording off this one, and when I vlog off this one. But I've been seeing another camera that I'm interested in. So I told the hubby about that last night. I seen it on someone's page. And if you follow her channel, her name's Kiana J. I think the camera's called Osco, something like that. I didn't bring my phone down here. So, hold on. Let me go get my phone. Because I mentioned that in her name, I'm going to tell you the exact name of the camera and everything. So, give me 1 second. Okay, so, I ran upstairs to get my phone. But back to this real quick so that we can end this before I talk about the other thing. When you do turn it off, it do tells you goodbye. So that you would know that you turned it off. When you turn it on, you'll see the picture of an ocean. Okay, so I'm going to turn it back off so that y'all can see that it says goodbye. So, stay tuned for the review on that. So, like I said, the camera that I was watching Neek's page last night, and she was talking about how her camera it was nice and everything, but it kept falling or whatever. So she wanted a nicer camera, smaller one. And so she wouldn't purchase the camera that Kiana J had. And it was a nice, small, you know, handheld thing with one little eye on it, looked like. And it was nice for vlogging. Nothing humongous, a whole camera. And I think it'll help for those who's trying to start YouTube but don't want to have nothing bulky out while they're walking to get into the motion of it. So, like I said, it is called the this is the picture. It's called the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. I did some research on it. I think at Best Buy it was running like $6.99 to $5.99. They do have the Creator 2. And yeah, so this one here, you get the cameras like this, but you can also turn it downward. You know, for YouTube you need it to be like this, but you can't have it like this too when you're recording. Also, I didn't say turn on. I didn't say turn on. Okay. Also, it rotates like my last video, that camera, that vlogger stick I had. If you push the button, it rotates on its own. This one does the same. But we'll get more into it once I get it. I did some research on Amazon. I think theirs was running $6.99 to anywhere from $4.99 to $6.99. TikTok, you found some for like $4.30, $4.67. So, I'm not sure which one I'm going to go with, but we'll get into that when I receive it, and we get to it, okay? So, on that note, you guys, I'm going to go ahead in here so that I can clean up here in my beauty room real quick, go get these kids something to eat. Well, first, I'll wake RJ up, get him something to eat and everything, too. And then, if I get out today, I'll pick the camera back up and I'll vlog again. So, on that note, your girl is what? Out. Tootie, are you going to say goodbye to the people?
Bye, people.
Well, you going to say bye.
Bye.
Alright, guys. We out.